Hello guys, this you can see Dr. VERWEY'S Tank Cleaning Guide. I would like to show you how to get guidance from this book very easily. Here in this book you will find few details like cleaning from to cross table, cleaning procedures, cargo details and synonym search table. The one is mostly important for us is cleaning procedures, and this chapter will help us how to find exact cleaning procedures. Okay, actually this is like from which cargo, this is the from and this is cargo to be loaded. Okay, and as I told you, you can see cleaning from to cross table, and this is how you can go directly to the table, and you have to find out the one cargo you want to clean. That is here for our example gasoline, and gasoline you will find by alphabetical sequence. D, still D, F, G will be somewhere here. Here you can see gasoline, unleaded gasoline. This is the cargo serial number is 175. Okay, here we can write 175. Now we have to find soybean oil, cargo to be loaded, soybean oil. First of all, we have to find the number of soybean oil, serial number. Okay, so S will be further below ST. Here soybean oil 356. So we found the serial number of soybean oil 356. Now we have to get back to gasoline because we are planning to clean the gasoline tank to load will be serial number 356. We have written here for our record serial number 356 soybean oil. Crude soybean oil and soybean oil will be here the same. So serial number 356, we will look for it now. Here is the serial number. You can see we have to go to 356. 356. If we go here now, 356 and gasoline unleaded IA. This will be our cleaning schedule. Okay, as I write here, from these two we have found IA. IA is the cleaning procedures. Okay, this is cleaning procedures. Now let's go to cleaning procedures. Here you can go directly here. This is the cleaning procedures, and you have to find IA. B, it is also alphabetically sequence. So I is, you will find G H I, and IA is this one. You can follow this one to prepare your tank for the next cargo. And if we explain here what is written from point 1 to point 5, all of this you have to follow. Point 1 to point 5, all the steps to be completed, and that's how you can expect that your tank will be ready for loading soybean oil. So let's check it out. Number 1, butter earth with ambient temperature seawater for 1 hour. Step 2, butter earth with seawater 70 degree to 80 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then the next one, recirculation in seawater or fresh water 60 to 80 degrees Celsius for 1.5 hour. In this stage you have to use solvent cleaner to make the tank free of hydrocarbon. Rinse with ambient temperature fresh water for 20 minutes, then vent, mop and dry. What are the meaning of all these butter earth, recirculation and rinse? You have to go to the beginning of this book. Here it is. You can read the instructions, the basic instructions, use of cleaning cross tables, all the guidelines you will be getting from here. Cleaning procedures description, all the methods are separately also explained. Method description, like butter earth meaning, if you read it you will be getting very clear idea what is to be meant by this butter earth. Then drain, purge, chemical recirculation, optional recirculation, rinsing, vent, mop, dry. And this book, as it says that it has the cargo synonyms to find the cargo name. Here you will be getting to find this cargo name, look up this one. That means if you do not find this cargo name directly in this list, you can go look up this one. So that's how this book can help you. So I hope that is a complete guide for using this Dr. Verwey's tank cleaning guide, and this is really very helpful. Apart from this, your company may also provide kind of software like Miracle or some other softwares where you can find all the guidelines for loading, discharging, the cargo data, and tank cleaning guidelines as well. So that's all about this video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to share it, please. Stay connected with my channel, and I would like to request you to visit my website that is only for you, www.sailor360.net. Hope to meet you in next video.